the airport. I'm going to Boston for however many days. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, I thought I would vlog today because I am kind of having a bit of a panic attack or like anxiety. My anxiety is just up like a lot right now. I need to schedule an Uber. Sorry if you can hear the construction outside. They're like doing stuff to the building, but this place is like a literal disaster because I've been like throwing stuff around and like also trying to organize and unpack and all of that. So like literally every room is a disaster right now. But yeah, so anyways, I have super anxiety and I'm going to be going to the airport by myself, and I've never been to the Denver airport by myself. I'm also going to Union Station to take like the train in instead of taking the Uber like all the way there because it's pretty expensive. So I'm gonna go to the train station. I've never done that, so my anxiety is like super high right now. I just feel like I'm like gonna pass out. This is definitely not something that I would normally do like on my own, but I'm trying to be a lot better about like doing things like on my own and just kind of pushing my comfort zone a bit more, and this definitely does it because I am, sorry, I'm like so close. I'm kind of freaking out, so yeah. Trying to drink lots of water before the flight. I have to leave in like 15 minutes, so I'm gonna do that. I have a little bit more to sort real quick. JP is gonna be home. I'm going home for like a baby shower and to see my family and everything, so I need to take a few minutes and like breathe and get myself together. My luggage is packed. I need to put my laptop in my bag, so I have a couple more things. I have some of my camera stuff I need to bring, so I'm gonna do that now, and yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so I literally have no idea where my other glasses are, so I'm gonna have to use these, and they're not like my actual prescription anymore. They're like, my eyes have gotten worse, so.
Off to a good start?
Yeah.
God. Well, that's because it's like, I feel like cars are just bigger and like, this is a really narrow tunnel.
I was in a town car.
Oh.
A brand new town car.
Alright, that's
John and I
wide
used to
and
race
long.
through this. It was like 11 o'clock at night. Nobody was in here.
Mm-mm.
And we would just fly.
Left foot.
Oh, Jesus. Don't put this on your pod or whatever.
Oh, it's going.
one.
Welcome to Boston. Crazy drivers.
Slightest bit could be catastrophe.
Yeah.
Look at that bill. Look at that bill. He's such a good bill. Good morning, guys, and welcome to New England. I'm actually home right now. This is gonna be from yesterday. Just picking up from yesterday. I didn't vlog so much yesterday because it was a bit mental, like just going through the airport and everything, and my flight was delayed, and then I had to rush to my second flight, and so I was just a bit mental and didn't pick up my camera that much. And then we got home pretty late last night. This is my Aunt Kelly.
Hello.
We are off to, we have a day ahead of us. We are going to visit my grandmother and my stepfather at the cemetery, and we are picking up my grandfather, and yeah, we're gonna have a nice day. We're probably gonna do lunch, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, bring you guys along for that, and then I think we might do a little shopping later. I do need to get my nails done at some point because I'm still pushing the ghetto thumb right now. So we're gonna do that, and then yeah, tomorrow is the baby shower, so I'm gonna film a ton of that for my cousin so he doesn't miss any of it. So that's gonna be super fun. I'm excited. And yeah, and you guys will meet more of my family and everything, so it's gonna be a family filled vlog here.
Plus to get it in all before the hurricane.
Oh yeah, that's another thing. Actually, this is so bright. There we go. So there's also a hurricane that is hitting the area tomorrow. So the baby shower starts at 11, and then the hurricane is supposed to hit like in the afternoon. So we're going to probably drive in it at some point. So that's exciting.
Yeah.
I swear, like every time I go somewhere, there's rain. Every single time, without fail. I don't know, it's been weird. There's some weird energy going on. But yeah, we'll be back in a bit. So I also picked up the new, what is it? Cinnamon pumpkin foam. Cold brew. I never remember the names of these, and it doesn't even say. Wait, medium pumpkin cream. Oh, pumpkin cream cold brew. There you go. That's really good. You guys should try it if you haven't already. It's pretty good. So update on the cold brew. I will not be getting it again. It's super sweet. If you like, I also have Carmex on my chin, so don't mind that. But if you like sweet drinks, like it would be good for you, but not for me. So yeah.
You want to get this sign here?
It's okay, you can talk. No, it's okay, you can go.
Go on up and get the pots.
Yeah. I got 4 of them.
Okay.
How was it out in Colorado? Do you like it out there?
Yeah.
pretty.
Ooh, his neighbor has nice flowers too. Those are really pretty.
Somebody loves you. Hi, Larry. Should I put the marshmallows on it?
Ma'am, it's me when I'm cold.
Wait, and this one here is. I gotta show Mr. Matolo these. And then you put a hot dog on him. So John, I gotta show you my gift from Melissa and Brian.
So we are just having a like little get together at my aunt and uncle's house. We're all outside. They have some friends over, so we're just hanging out and stuff and eating. I just ate my freaking weight in cheese and crackers, so I need some hardcore water in my life too. But yeah, we're just hanging out and drinking and all of that, and we have the bonfire, so I'm gonna take you outside for a bit. Here, let's go see. I'm gonna go over to the lighting. Literally looks like it's like a spaceship. Oh, my lips look so washed out. But yeah, we're just hanging out and going to sit by the fire and roast some marshmallows. So let's go.
Early this morning, like around 8 o'clock, by the time it gets here. So what does she do for the solution? She takes a big cup of ice water. That should get it out. Now I'm like, so not only did I pee my pants,
Ice cold.
and my period.
Oh god. She's probably cracking up.
Oh yeah. Everybody,
Everyone's laughing.
the whole Birdie's was cracking up.
Ian's in the way. John's in the way.
Yeah. It's pretty, you're like in the sandwich.
Open his mouth and pretend like he's eating it.
All of a sudden, I seen these flames. They're getting bigger and big. Now the curtains are on fire. I thought, oh shit.
Jesus Christ.
So I ran downstairs. I had a 5-pound fire extinguisher. I throw it over the fence. I jump over the fence, run up the stairs, and I'm knocking on the door for him to open it up. I said, I got a fire extinguisher here. A couple of weeks ago.
Call 911.
Like a set of bones.
It does.